Management in a company. Introduce. My name Nurwali Fuadi. Student ID number 241221047. Class Management to a afternoon. 1. Understanding management. Understanding management. The term management originally came from the Old French management, which means the art of carrying out and organizing. In Italian, the word management comes from the word "maggere", which means to control. Definition of management according to experts. According to George R. Terry, company management is a different process consisting of planning, compiling, directing, and controlling, which is carried out to achieve the main objective of the company by involving people and human resources. According to Harold Kunz, company management is a productive art based on an understanding of science, where science and art are not in conflict but both complement each other. According to Wilson Bangun, company management is a series of action and effort of company members to achieve the business goal or target that the company offers, where the process is achieved through systematic activity. According to James F. Stoner, company management is the process of planning, preparing, controlling, and leading various business from members of an entity or organization by using the resource of not to achieve the goal that have been set. According to Lawrence Appel, argues that company management is an art to achieve a desired goal and is implemented with the effort of others. According to Mark Parker Follett, company management, according to Mary Baker Follett, is an art that every job can be completed with the help of others. From some of the expert understanding above, it can be concluded that company management is a process of planning, directing, organizing, and controlling existing resources in order to achieve company goal. 2. Objectives of enterprise management. The objective of the company management include 1. Become more efficient. There is an allocation of working hours that are used every day. In management, as much as possible, the time you have is maximized this use. The company expects its employees not to waste the time they have. With good time management skill, the company is able to get more work done. 2. Make right decision. Decision made by company can make the difference between succeeding or meeting failure. Therefore, decision making is a vital target that must be owned by the company so that its performance can be good. With good company management, decision analysis can be more comprehensive. 3. Obtaining generator profit. When the first and second point have been achieved, the result of good company management are usually directly related to the benefit that will be obtained. Many successful and profitable companies in the world are directly related to their management capabilities. In the end, when you become more experienced with your management skill, you will realize that management can not only help benefit a company, but it can also have an impact on other daily life. 3. Management function in a company. Management function in a company, among others. 1. Planning. One of the basics of the management function is planning to determine the direction of the organization and achieving certain goals in the future. In planning, knowledge relates to the vision and mission of the company is needed. Planning also involves systematic thinking about what ways are needed to achieve predetermined goals. One way is to identify the necessary tasks and ensure the proper utilization of resources to avoid confusion, uncertainty, or other risks. With management, you and the company can design future tasks and adapt them to previous next achievement. 2. Organizing. In addition to planning, the management function is for organizing. Management serves to provide an unit resource, both physical, financial, and human, and develop productive relationships in order to achieve organizational goals. Organizing aims to ensure the company continues to function effectively in daily activities. The function of management as self-organizing is closely related to the hierarchy of management. You will have responsibility for organizing different resources based on a certain level of management. 3. Staffing. Third, the management function is staffing. Staffing is understood and the goal of maintaining of the structure of the organization and maintaining IT. The main purpose of this management function is to put the right people and the right job. Such staffing will generally involve several things such as manpower planning, recruitment, selection, placement, training, remuneration, job assessment, promotion, and transfer. For briefing. For the function of management is a direct organization to work efficiently to achieve the goal of the enterprise. At its core, this function is to maintaining and increase the productivity of all links with the company. At the managerial level, this is meant directing employees, managing ideas, and getting feedback from them. Not only directing, the function of directing good manager is also carried out by inspiring employees to always work toward achieving goals. There are several elements in the briefing management function such as supervision, motivation, leadership, and communication. 5. Control. Finally, the management function is to control. This function basically ensures that the order for function run correctly so that the company actually achieves the goal to be achieved. The control function requires a measurable examination of the goal. That is why if you occupy the managerial level, so that this management function can be carried out, is important for you to set standard in advance. By setting standard, you can monitor quality and measure parts that are considered successful or failed, so that in order for the control processing to run smoothly, it can be concluded that there are several steps that are usually based, such as setting performance standard, measuring actual performance, evaluating deviation, and then corrective action are taken. 4. Tips of management that exist in a company. Strategic management, sales management, marketing management, public relation management, operation management, procurement management, finally management and accounting, human resource management, technology and information management, R&D management, engineering management, project management, program management, risk management, quality management, change management, innovation management, decision management, and facility management. Management level for the company. Top management: Chief Executive Officer, Chief Marketing Officer, Chief Sales Officer, Chief Technology Officer, President, Managing Director. In the middle management: Marketing Manager, Purchase Head, Sales Manager, Operation Manager, Branch Manager, and Finance Manager. In low level management: Supervisor, Foreman, Clerk, Junior Manager, Inspection.